May all the graduates raise their right hand and repeat after me. We, the graduates of school year 2025 to 2026, do hereby profess our faith and fidelity in the church founded by Christ, and we declare ourselves to be staunch defenders of His teachings and traditions. We resolve to relinquish life rather than forfeit this precious heritage from our forefathers
from our forefathers
to our beloved alma mater,
for our beloved alma mater,
St. Nazareth Learning Center.
St. Nazareth Learning Center,
We pledge our love and loyalty,
pledge our love and loyalty,
promising to cherish and uphold
cherishing and pressing uphold
the noble ideals
the noble ideals
that she has inculcated
that she has inculcated
in our minds and hearts,
in our minds and our hearts,
to uphold steadfastly
to oppose fastly
and unwaveringly
and unwaveringly
the complete trust
the complete trust
she has now laid
she has now laid
in our hands
in our hands,
to be ever true sons and daughters of SNLC.
the blatters and SNLC.
So help me God.
So help me God.